This is a 2002 E450, I think it's an E450 Ford bus. The driver's complaint is that when he hits the gas pedal, the air stops blowing out of the vents, making it hot in there. So we've obviously got everything tore apart here, as you can see. And what's actually happening is that it's not stopping blowing, but it's actually defaulting to the defrost, because that's what Ford vehicles do whenever they have a vacuum leak. They default to the defrost. And the purpose of that is that when it's wintertime, and if you get a vacuum leak in the wintertime, you can still defrost your window. It's kind of like a fail-safe thing. So today I'm going to show you, we know that the vacuum leak is somewhere happening in the dash. I'm going to show you how to fix this issue without taking the entire dash apart. So by doing